Hello everyone, I'm just Ian. Welcome to this new video. Today we're opening up this Phantasmal Flames Elite Trainer box from Mega Evolution. I absolutely can't wait to open this up. Mega Charizard X is my second favorite Pokemon of all time. And my favorite Pokemon is Piplup. And there is actually a chance we are able to get a Piplup card from this Elite Trainer box. Because of course Piplup is a Pokemon that is in the set Phantasmal Flames. So I can't wait to open this up. This Elite Trainer box also includes an amazing Charcadet promo, some dice, some sleeves, and a coin of course. And we get 9 packs of Phantasmal Flames. Isn't that just awesome? I can't wait to open up this puppy, so I already have my knife ready, as you may be able to tell in the reflection. So let's open it up. I'm trying to make some small cuts to not damage anything, because this is a pretty sharp knife. That's perfect. The plastic we just throw away on the ground. First, let's take a little look at the booklet. Of course, there's a player's guide, always included inside of an ETB. Scarlet and Violet, we have the Charcadet, and all cards available in this amazing set. There's of course a Golden Charizard, we have a regular Charizard right over there, or well, a full art, art rare is it? It's not a full art version. Because this is actually the full art version of Mega Charizard X. There is a ton of just awesome artwork in these packs hidden. Look at that Piplup. That's what we want. That's what we desire. If we don't get it, that's of course also okay. But look at this Piplup. It's so cute. I really hope we get a Piplup. I really do. There's a ton of awesome playable cards in this set, so I can't wait to see what we're gonna be getting. Damn, look at this awesome artwork of Mega Gengar. That's so cool. I always really like these booklets. And of course with Mega Charizard. Whoa! That's so nice! I always love these booklets. They're just filled with such cool stuff. Oh, and this is it. The Phantasmal Flames ETB. It's absolutely gorgeous, I will say. I'm just gonna put it in the background. Look at these sleeves. Amazing. I can't wait to put those on one of my decks. And look at this Charcadet. I already bought one of these just because it's gorgeous and because I really want to use it in a deck. The artwork is stunning. We get a very cool Charizard coin. That's awesome. I love this. How many times can I say that I love something? You're gonna find out. Because this set includes my favorite Pokemon. Of course we have some energies, but we don't care about this. We do care about these. Some dice. And blue is my favorite color. I think this is my favorite D6 that I have. It's just that good looking. And these dice also, really nice color. Would have preferred if they were blue instead of yellow, but I still really like this color combo, and I think these are the same little dice. The same little dice that are included in the new Perfect Order set. The Perfect Order ETB. These are the same ones. So that's cool. And packs. We have Mega Gengar. We have Mega Charizard. There are so many packs here. Mega Lopunny, of course. Mega Heracross. It's time we open this up. I have my top loaders and my penny sleeves ready to go. We have 9 packs of Phantasmal Flames. Here we go. First pack luck, maybe? I don't know. Basic Energy, Darumaka. We have a Lotad, which looks beautiful. Bolt Hunt, awesome Pokemon. Baneri, Survivor, with an ability, Excited Power. If you have any Dark Mega Evolution Pokemon EX in play, attacks used by this Pokemon do 120 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon. Making Pitch Black Fangs to 240 is actually insane. And this might come in handy if you are playing Mega Gengar. Cresselia, this artwork. Look at this artwork. Damn. We have Dawn, Toxel, Togedemaru, and Toxtricity. Holo. That's such a nice card. Toxtricity is an amazing electric type Pokemon. I really like its addition to the Pokédex. Just Pokemon in general. It's actually from Gen 8. I mean, probably if you're watching this you should know that. But if you don't, it's from Gen 8, Galar. And in my honest opinion, Galar is one of my favorite Pokemon regions. I think it's very much underrated. Of course, it doesn't include Mega Evolution, but it does include some amazing scenery, and it's probably my favorite Pokemon game on the Nintendo Switch, maybe aside from Legends Arceus. Dewong, Ghastly, Mimikyu, Apom, Grampool, Battle Cage. That's a real. Ooh, Ceruledge. If you watched my previous video about Armarouge, you will probably know that I love Ceruledge. Darmanitan, Piloswine, and Mega Sharpedo EX! We have a hit! Such a cool card. Mega Sharpedo is so cool. One of my friends actually building a deck around him. So that's gonna be awesome to play against. Or maybe even play with. So that's getting sleeved. And of course, as usual, we have a segment where I failed to put something inside of a top loader. Mega Sharpedo, our first hit. So cool. Second pack and already a hit. That just promises something good. Famous last words, by the way. We have a basic Lightning Energy. Another Togedemaru. Vibrava. Seal with some stunning artwork. That water looks amazing. What-ish? Eternatus. I love Eternatus. Such a cool Pokemon. Such an underrated legendary. Wigglytuff. Jumbo Ice Cream. Murkrow with some stellar artwork. Another Battle Cage. And a Holo Suicune. Just gonna put this all aside. And we're going for our fourth pack. Can I open it? Just have to get my fingernails in there without ripping the cards. Easier said than done. Comment down below, what do you think will be inside of these packs right now? Pause the video, comment, what do you think I'm gonna get in these next 5 packs? Are you back? Good. Because we have a Dark Energy, Vibrava, we have Sandile, Swinub, another Lotad, Punk Helmet, Survivor, another gorgeous Cresselia. I see something shiny in the back. Trapinch, Jigglypuff, and Rotom EX. Awesome, I love Rotom. That's such a cool electric type. And it has an ability, Multi-Adapter. Each of your Pokemon that has Rotom in its name may have up to 2 Pokemon Tool cards attached. If this Pokemon goes away, discard Pokemon Tools from those Pokemon until only 1 remains on each. And it does Thunderbolt for 2 energies. Discard all energy from this Pokemon. So this is actually a great supporter. Because of course you have EXs for damage dealing and you have EXs for support. This truly is one of those awesome supporters. And another hit. So our hit rate is basically 50%, which is awesome. But I hope we can up it. And get something really stellar like a Piplup. But now we have a basic Steel Energy. Smeargle, Gligar, Palmy, Piplup! Oh my god. This is definitely a hit. We have Piplup. Immediately going to the back. Ludicolo, Bramblegast, Blowtorch, Absol, Grimsley, Apomp. Don't care, we have Piplup. The one Pokemon I truly wanted from all of these, I have. Now, of course, we have 4 packs remaining. And there's more than just a single Piplup that needs to get pulled. Because getting that Piplup art rare would be amazing. But also just getting a Primplup, a Napoleon, anything, or a Mega Charizard. We have Palmy, Charcadet, stunning artwork, Murkrow, Lombre, Cresselia again, 3rd Cresselia, gone, Wigglytuff, another Lombre, and a Dizzying Adventure, and another Toxtricity. We are at our 3 last packs. Our 3 last packs. And what will they include? Personally, I'm hoping on a Primplup or a Napoleon, Mega Charizard, or another Piplup. Because I love Piplup. Like I already said before. We have a basic fighting energy. Gloom, Charmander, Cutie Pie. We didn't get a Charmander yet, actually. Wait, let me just go back and look at this ability. Agile. If this Pokemon has no energy attached, it has no retreat cost. That's actually really good. Sableye, Duraludon. I love this Duraludon. This artwork is just incredible. We have Bramblecast, Blowtorch, Crocodile, Carvana, Bramblegast, and a Holo Reshiram. Last 2 packs. What will it be? we are slowing down on our hits. So I hope we can pull ourselves back together right at the end with a fire energy, another Duraludon, Gligar, Prinplup, going right next to Piplup, Smeargle, we have Eternatus, Jumbo Ice Cream, Ludicolo, Gloom, Zigzagoon, and a Holo Zacian, which leaves us with 2 awesome Pokemon, 2 EXs, and our very last pack of Phantasmal Flames. Let's hope we get a hit. We have a basic energy, Piloswine, Charmeleon, Milcery, Smeargle, Nanoetta, Sacred Charm, Darmanitan, Toxtricity, Seal, and that's it. Our very last card is a Holo Vileplume. But it's all worth it, because I finally got my favorite Pokemon. I finally got its newest release, so that makes me very happy. Call for support. Search your deck for a supporter card, reveal it and put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Awesome. Look at this boy. He's so cute. Of course, we also have Prinplup. Its evolution. Targeted dive. This attack does 70 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon, which is a pretty good move. If only it wasn't 3 energies. So that's a little sad. Then we have a Rotom EX, which looks stunning. I love Rotom, so this is a cool card. And of course, we have that Mega Sharpedo. So, 2 cool hits, and of course my favorite Pokemon. I think that's a job well done. I'm quite happy with that actually. I got the one card I really wanted. So, what more can I ask for? Anyways, that's it for this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and of course comment. And you'll see me in the next one. Goodbye.